Samsung UI 6.1. Samsung again surprised its fans with a bunch of new features, which are very useful. At the same time they are real lifesavers too. Let's look into some of the cool features Samsung introduced in their latest Samsung UI 6.1. Everybody like to study? Okay. Just imagine you have an exam tomorrow on theory papers. Because of your hard dedication, you have to cover a lot of portions, more than 90%, which contain large documents or articles. Looks like impossible to cover all portions in a single day. But with this new UI 6.1 updation, Samsung has opened a magical door towards typical last-minute dedication guys. How large the document or article will be, not an issue for Samsung, because it will easily summarize the whole document into small notes, which will be 10 times smaller than the original one. Cool, right? Now you can cover more portions in less time. Not only that, you can even summarize the content in a voice notes too. Really? Yes, it can. Fastest copy-paste feature. You want to copy and paste images or anything from one device to multiple devices in just a spark of time. No issues. The new Samsung UI 6.1 can help you. By clicking one freaking AI button, boom, you can now share any content from one devices to another in a spark of time. Happy? But wait, there is a conditions for that to happen. You should make sure that all that other devices should be logged into the same Samsung account. That's it. AI remastering. Suppose you need to share your image with someone important, and it's urgent too. Surely, you cannot share the raw image, as it might need some quick touch-ups. Don't worry, the new UI 6.1 has a solution for this problem too. Just a single click, that's it. The AI will remaster the image better than before. It will saves your time, saves your impression, saves you. Next level customization. Everybody likes to customize their devices, especially their lock screen. Without a good lock screen, your device will be equal to trash. Whether it is a premium flagship or a budget one, it doesn't matter. The true reality is most of today's flagship devices do not provide full customization power to their users. They provide some, but it will more likely destroy its remaining beauty. With the new UI 6.1, Samsung opens the door to infinite customization options for their users. The main highlight is the lock screen customization options, which allow you to add widgets like battery indicators, reminders, anything you want. You can change the clock format and its fonts too. If the inbuilt modes do not meet your expectations, don't worry, you can download from outside and add to your favorite list. All these customization features will give a better look to your lock screen. Is that it? Not really. Now, you can add your image from the gallery to your lock screen. Oh! Really? What's so new in this? Every phone can do that. Yeah, they can, but not like the new Samsung UI 6.1. You can enlarge your favorite image in the frame, whether it's a human subject or any object, giving a popping out of the frame effect, which makes the lock screen more appealing. You can add different colors to the lock screen by removing the original background of the image, and you can add multiple colors to the background to get a dual tone effect on the lock screen. These customizations surely make your lock screen more appealing, and give it a premium touch. Wait, the list is not ends here. There are new AI features that will come into the category of real lifesavers. First one is, the new AI keyboard. This is a futuristic keyboard which will help you in so many situations. For example, if you want to type a professional message to your boss, but you don't know the proper style, don't worry, the new AI keyboard will help you by converting the already typed message to professional style, which meet all the standards. The only thing you want to do is just click the AI button. Next one is my favorite feature in this whole UI lineup, real-time live translation feature. Trust me, this one feature will surely save you from many problems. Suppose you are chatting with a person face-to-face, good, but the real problem is that you know only English, and the other person is a foreigner who speaks only his native language. Surely, this conversation will be horrible and screwed for both parties. Hey, wait, one of them has the new Samsung device running on the new UI 6.1. Whoa, then it will be cool. The new Samsung UI 6.1 has a live translate feature that will automatically translate unknown languages to the user's preferred languages, helping to keep the conversation smooth and providing a better experience. You can use this live translate feature in many situations, like chatting on any social media applications or even during phone calls. AI editing. If you're a lazy person like me, then this feature will surely be a lifeline. Suppose you want to post a photo on social media, but it needs some editing to improve its attractiveness, and you're too lazy to do it. Not a problem, just make sure you have the new Samsung phone with Samsung UI enabled. Just a click, and your perfectly edited photo is ready. It will erase your background if you want, change the sky weather, tilt your image, or resize it. AI will do it all, you just need to click the AI button, that's it.